Hello everyone and welcome back. The Imo State Police Command has announced what they describe as a major breakthrough in their fight against kidnapping and violent crime after arresting two suspected kidnapping kingpins who had reportedly been on the command's wanted list for a long time. The operation also led to the arrest of 7 other suspected gang members and the recovery of a large cache of weapons, ammunition, and other items allegedly linked to criminal activities. The big question is this: could this operation significantly weaken kidnapping networks operating in Imo State? Or are there still more criminal groups waiting to be dismantled? While police authorities are celebrating the latest arrests, many residents will be hoping the operation translates into improved security across communities that have experienced repeated attacks. To the Imo State Police Command, the operation targeted a suspected kidnappers and terrorist hideout located in the Igbima River Creek. The raid was reportedly carried out following intelligence gathering and investigations that led officers to the location where members of the suspected criminal network were allegedly operating. Parading the suspects at the Imo State Police Command headquarters in Owerri, the Commissioner of Police, CP Aboki Danjuma, said the operation followed credible intelligence and confessional statements obtained during previous investigations. He described the raid as one of the command's significant successes in their ongoing campaign against kidnapping and organized crime. Among those arrested were 28-year-old Confidence Vitalis, who hails from Ukwa in Ohaji, Egbima local government area of Imo State, and 32-year-old Ishaya Rejoice, who is from Emoha local government area of Rivers State. According to the police commissioner, the two suspects are believed to be among the key figures in the criminal network and had remained on the police list for an extended period. The police also confirmed the arrest of 7 additional suspected members of the gang during the operation. Authorities believe the suspects were actively involved in kidnapping and other violent criminal activities within Imo State and neighboring areas. Investigators are expected to continue as police work to determine the full extent of the group's operations. According to the Commissioner of Police, officers recovered a substantial quantity of weapons and ammunition during the raid. Among the items displayed were 1 AK-47 rifle, 4 AK-47 magazines, 16 rounds of 7.62 mm ammunition, 3 locally made double-barrel size guns, 16 live cartridges, 1 empty Beretta magazine, and 20 rounds of general purpose machine gun or GPMG ammunition. Police also displays human skulls and what they describe as assorted criminal charms, which were allegedly recovered from the suspected hideout. While authorities have not yet provided further details regarding the origin of the recovered human skulls, the discovery has generated significant public attention and is expected to form part of the ongoing police investigation. The Commissioner of Police further disclosed that security operations continue after the initial raid. According to him, on July 7, 2026, acting on fresh, credible intelligence, operatives of the Imo State Police Command stormed the Buka swamps located within Ohaji Egbima local government area, where another cache of ammunition was discovered. During that follow-up operation, police reportedly recovered a total of 346 rounds of live ammunition. According to the command, the recovered ammunition included 122 rounds of AK ammunition, 148 rounds of M16 rifle ammunition, and 76 rounds of 9.6 beta pistol ammunition. Officers also recovered 7 rifle magazines, consisting of 4 AK-47 magazines and 3 M16 rifle magazines. The police commissioner described the recoveries as further evidence of the command's determination to deny criminal groups safe operating bases anywhere within Imo State. He said intelligence-led operations would continue across the state until criminal hideouts are dismantled and those responsible are brought before the courts. Addressing residents of Imo State, CP Aboki Danjuma assured the public that the police remain fully committed to protecting lives and properties. He stated that the command will continue strengthening intelligence gathering, surveillance operations, and coordinated raids against suspected criminal networks in order to improve security throughout the state. The latest operation comes as security agencies across Nigeria intensify efforts to combat kidnapping, armed robbery, cult-related violence, and terrorism. Police authorities have increasingly relied on intelligence-driven operations to locate criminal camps, recover illegal weapons, and arrest suspects believed to be responsible for violent crimes affecting local communities. For many residents of Imo State, the success of this operation will ultimately be measured not only by the arrest made, but also by whether it leads to a sustained reduction in kidnapping and violent crime. As investigations continue, police say additional operations are expected while efforts remain focused on identifying other members of the suspected criminal network and ensuring they face justice. For more updates and in-depth analysis, stay with us on News Express. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am Cassie Tony, and many thanks for watching.